it to my bed. I know we ain't gon' make it to my bed, no. You know we ain't gon' make it to my bed. Baby, tonight, the night I let you know.
So I'm sure you guys have seen me do my bass a million times, so I'm not going to show you this time. So on the count of 3 and a snap, we will be done. But getting straight into this video, I am going to be taking the shade Noir and just trying to pack this on the outer corners of my lids. And I'm going to blend until this gets exactly how I need it to be. So I'm packing and blending, packing and blending, packing and blending. Then I'm just taking the shade from this NYX palette that I'm looking at, and it's this really green, I don't know what else to call it, but a very lime green color. And I am just focusing this on the center of the lids and blending this right into that black, and I'm going to go back into the black as well and just keep switching out until the blend is how I need it to be. As for the sounds you hear in the background, or you may hear in the background, it's my son's TV. He's watching Ninja Turtles. And as for my voice, I'm sick of yes, for like the second time, and I don't know how short of an amount of time, I'm sick again.
Does that look blue?
So I added this really weird gray shade next to the white before, and it kind of looked blue, so I had to put the white on top of that to get more of a silvery color. And these are just drugstore palettes, which actually have no names to them, so sorry. And I'm just sweeping that up as high as I can to use the most lid and just blending that right into the green color. I'm not trying to speed up a lot of this video so you guys can see how long it really takes me. And after that, I'm going to drag the black down under my lower lash line as well as the green. And please, please, please excuse my face while I do this. Even though I cropped most of it out anyway, what I was doing with my mouth. But excuse most of this video because I don't know what was wrong with me while I was filming this. And you'll see in about 3, 2...
That is bomb as though, like... Almost finished. Ouch! Ouch!
So here I am pretty much wasting time because I don't even think I'm using these right. It never works. It doesn't curl anything. My lashes don't want to curl. So taking my Perfect Lash mascara from LA Colors, I'm just going to first start with the bottom lashes so you don't have to look up and get your lids dirty or get mascara on those, and then just do the top ones. Now I'm just taking my Kiss Sultry lashes along with these Broadway Flirty lashes, and I'm going to double stack them.
Now for the lips. The favorite part of this is going to be the lips because we're going to do another eyeshadow lip. A little something to stick on too. You know that's oil? Better Vaseline. But that's all the way across the room and I'm not about to go get it.
I'm gonna try and do a gradient lip again. So, starting with the black. I don't even know why I'm talking. This is gonna be a voiceover. It's gonna be a voiceover! It's a voiceover, guys!
So if you see me throw a fit, and I'm cutting myself, yeah, if you see me toss this MF across the room because I cannot grab what I would like to grab in this motherfucker, don't be surprised.
So just taking a random black eyeliner that I have, I am going to line my lips with that. And I was going to do a gradient look, so you see me only lining the outside corners, but eventually I changed it all up and just filled it in with the Noir eyeshadow that we used on our lids.
So, I had to redo that entire ending because I didn't like the way the lip came out with all 3 colors. It was like too much going on, so I just did the black, which I think I'm feeling a lot better.
Fuck all you hoes. Yeah, this album is dedicated To all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from that called the police on me when I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughter. And all the niggas in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop.